First, you make your hands into duck beaks like this. Next, tuck your hands under your armpits to look like duck wings and flap your arms like this. Next, shake your tail feathers like this. And last but not least, clap your hands 4 times like this. When you clap your hands 4 times, you'll hear a sound like this. Good. Let's put it all together. Here we go. Good job. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. What you were? Are they slotted up them? Ow, 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 ow. Seth geld master hui, smash off snare falcino. Seth geld master off snare falc, seal on the tile. Seth geld to that fleischrikish, scan. Seth geld ma falfnis and you cut geld to step ma your snare cut, scan. Seth geld keep cut dus snare kemi, surf.